Heavy heart, steady face. Big or tall, we don't care. Izandla sami siphethe future. Inhliziyo ingitshela okunye. My heart tells me I have a second chance, but ibheka phambili. If you gotta try, we made for more than second chances. Isongangane, big and tall, big and tall. I don't break, I don't crawl, futhi. We came from the struggles. Indala sayazi, I stand up and I stand tall. I stand up, I stand stronger. I take what's mine. We know the game has been this way. Kuphi khona, Kuphi khona. Party what you think you are when they doubt. I lean in, let the real thing settle in. I was made for open doors, for the long road. Same old me, just a little twist of a mindset. Big and tall, you can call it whatever you like. Kuphi khona, Kuphi khona. Party stronger this morning, say it loud, say it proud. Party when say it loud, say it proud. Ngizwile ngani mara mina nintusina kancane. You'll hear my name above the crowd. Every scar, every stripe made me shine in the light. Resurrected like Jesus of Nazareth. So pagama Israeli pegile. Watch me rise above it all. It's on the lagankane. We know the game has been this way for way too long. Watch me rise above it all. Kuphi khona, Kuphi khona. Party what you think you are when they doubt. I lean in, let the real thing settle in. I was made for open doors, for the long road. Same old me, just a little twist of a mindset. Big and tall, you can call it whatever you like. Indlela itulilo, I know. Let them stare, let them learn. I don't bend for every turn. Took the hits, kept my frame. Now I wear that like a name. Bigger heart, bigger soul. That's the part they don't control. Say it once, say it twice. I was made for this life. Kuphi khona, Kuphi khona. What you think you are?